tutor lang. At tumuto kayo dito lang sa SOP. Woo! Yay! Yeah!
Oh, baby.
Woo! Woo! SOP.
Maningning! May mga bagong mukha rin sa ating GMA Arts Center. Ito po sila. Palakpakan po natin sila, the stars of GMA Artist Center. Ayan po sila. Ang iba naman po na kasama nila ay nandun kasama nila JR at Gian sa Dagupan. JR, Gian.
Hey, what's up, Kuya Ogie? Hello! Excited na ang ating mga kapusong Dagupeños to witness the very first GMA Artist Image Plug.
At kasama namin ngayon dito ang iba pang ipinagmamalaking talents ng GMA Artist Center.
Kaya Kuya Jano and Kuya Ogie, let's not keep them waiting. So, back to you guys, mga kuya.
Hey, JR, thank you. JR, you're English, huh? You should learn, ha? We'll teach you, ha? Okay, ngayong magkakasama na tayong lahat dito sa studio, ha? At sa stadia, Dagupan, sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang bonggang-bongga at talaga naman pambihira sa gandang image plug ng GMA Artist Center on SOP's Director's Cut. Ito po yun.
Our first image plug was done 3 to 4 years ago, and at that time we only had about 30 to 40 artists. Today, Artist Center is home to over 100 artists, and in our roster you will find singers, dancers, actors, hosts, VJs, and comedians, a host of wonderful actors and actresses and performers. And that's why we thought that it was high time to come up with a new image plug, something that is reflective of what Artist Center is today.
The image plug was produced to highlight and show all the fine talents of the GMA Artist Center. Directed by one of the finest local directors with a new fresh concept, we are all very proud of the material. At nakakasiguro din po kami na magugustuhan ninyo, aming mga kapuso, ang image plug na ito. Sa inyo pong lahat na bumubuo ng production team ng GMA Artist Center, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Alam ko ang paghihirap ng mga tao sa likod ng produksyon ng GMA Artist Center para mapaganda at maitaas ang antas ng kalidad ng mga pangunahing artista ng ating network. Kaya naman buong puso ang aking pasasalamat dahil sa inyong dedikasyon para gawin ang image plug na ito. Hindi naman nasayang ang inyong pagod dahil napakaganda nito. Ako'y bumabati ngayon pa lamang sa mga GMA Artist Center at taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa buong production team.
Yung pinaka-concept nito ng latest Artist Center image plug, 4 na malalaki eksena yung ginawa namin dito. Pinagsama-sama namin yung 150 talents ng Artist Center. Mga kapuso, panoorin po natin ngayon ang world premiere ng GMA Artist Center image plug, only here on SOP's Director's Cut.
Bibilin ko yun. Kailan mapalabas yun?
Oo nga, ano ba yun? Ha?
Iba talaga yung Louie Ignacio.
Iba talaga.
Isa, Marvin, may gusto ba kayong pasalamatan?
Of course, ang taong gumawa nito, ang pinakamamahal nating director, Direk Louie Ignacio. Grabe, alam mo, mga pinagdaanan namin dyan, Direk Louie, mga helicopter na yan. Pinagdadaan niya talaga sa harapan niya yan. So, Direk Louie,
Daredevil siya, no?
congratulations, Direk Louie. And of course, ang nagbibigay po ng katuparan sa aming mga pangarap, Tita Ida Inares.
Halika na, Miss Ida.
Tita, join us here.
Oo nga, sa ganda mo kailangan nandito ka ngayon.
Tita Wilma Galvante.
Yes.
Mr. Jimmy Duabit. Attorney Felipe Gozon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. In behalf of all the artists of Artist Center, thank you very much. Our rap consultant, Valerie De Los Santos. Lighting director, June Gonzalez. Musical director, Ramon Faustino. Stylist, Pepsi Herrera and Mervin Lazaro. Ang nagpaganda po ng boses ko lang kasi ako po yung kumanta nung voice coach and vocal arranger, Sushila Reyes. Miss Louie Cadag and the sexy Terry Lancigan.
May ganun talaga.
And to the GMA Artist Center staff, maraming salamat.
At syempre po, we would also like to thank Captain Arnold Arnano of Flightline, Major Dick Rodriguez, Engineer Demetrio Apolinar, Airport Manager of Plaridel Airport, Mr. Daniel D. Magiba, Executive Director of Lion Air Incorporated, and Captain Alan Agahan, Helicopter Pilot. Ayan. Thank you din also to YKL and Fuji Films at syempre sa GMA Artist Center for taking all of us under their wing. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala.
Congratulations to everybody.
Mga kapuso, let's give them a big hand. The stars of GMA Artist Center, mga proud to be kapuso.
Ay, teka muna pare, bago tayo magano ha, mamaya, eto, surprise ito. Si Ma'am Ida sasayaw. Makikita nyo mamaya.
Hindi, totoo yan.
Magpapakita ang gilas. Ang ating boss.
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop yan. Ayan, sa pagbalik ng SOP.